Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for a Stampin' Up haul. This is a big haul, but it's a fun haul too. Let me show you why. I got things that have just come out, things that are coming out, and things that you can only get right now as a demonstrator, and things that you can get right now as a customer. But I bought plenty of the things that I did get. I got multiple Stampin' seals. What else did I get? I don't even know if I'm going to have enough room. Oh, I got a new chamois. My old chamois was kind of really bad, but this may be a giveaway in an upcoming class. I also got a couple of little Stampin' Cut and Emboss embossing folders. They're the same. Guess what that means? When they're the same, that means one of them is going to be given away and one of them is going in my stash. I also got multiples of the Memento ink Tuxedo Black. Grabbed those. Now, that along with the Stampin' seal and along with these multiple paper snips, that is for my basic toolkit that I've put together. So if you are new to stamping and you want a basic toolkit, let me know. Check out beautyandthestamper.com and we'll go ahead and get you set up and get you new to stamping, right? Get you everything you need. So then I've got a couple more. Another Tuxedo Black. And then some Stampin' Spritzers. We're going to be doing some spritzing this week. So, you know, I do the Tuesday tutorials and the free tutorial Friday. So the Tuesday is techniques, Friday is free tutorial. Both have a tutorial. I did get this Summer Days. I already have it, but I wanted to get this out so I have another prize for bingo that's coming up. If you haven't qualified, unfortunately, it is too late because you qualified the month prior. But this month you could still get in on next month's class, which is birthdays. So we're going to set you up and get you ready for a year so you don't miss birthdays. So I did grab a couple of silicone craft sheets. One goes in my stash. The other one's going to go in the giveaways. I also saw this one, and I don't know why I hadn't seen it before, but I love it. It is called Strong and Beautiful, and it looks like it is very much dedicated to the females. We've got Happy Mother's Day. We've got God made you my mother, love made you my friend. Isn't that sweet? And to the woman who does it all with grace and wisdom. There are so many beautiful sayings. Take a snapshot of that if you would, and then just look at them. Or is it backwards? Might be backwards. So, okay. Did not know that. That's so weird. And then we've got the dry brush here, and that is one big stamp that gives you the dry brush look. And then check this out, 2 different colors. I've got the Cherry Cobbler and the Real Red. You could totally see my studio. So we've got those two. They look similar, but they're still so different. Isn't that funny? Okay, then from the new, I wanted to see this one because I've had the 2 punches before. We got little one running in and out. You can hear his little clickety paws. I got this one here, which is the Oval Occasion. Funny fact here, the first time I ever stamped with one of my friends, there was a bunny and an oval stamp. And guess what? We've got the bunny and the oval stamp. So we have this little, I know you can't see it that well because my stuff is in the background, but we've got this oval stamp here, and then here is a scalloped oval. I don't know if you can, no, that doesn't do you any, oh, maybe a little bit there. Okay, so you see that? So I will be using this tomorrow too to show you. And then this one, again, it's got that bunny. It's got thank you for your kindness, hugs and kisses, a little treat for you. This one is an oval long ways. It says, so lucky to know you. Happy birthday, time to celebrate. We've got some hearts, some stars, some flowers, and a little teeny tiny 4-leaf clover there. That is super cute. So oval occasions, it's got many different occasions on there. And then we've got that oval punch, which is going to give you your punch and a background. So you have a great layer there. So I'm super excited about that. The other thing, oh, guess what I got? Guess what I got? You'll be able to get this next month in January. Unless you become a demonstrator on my team, not just my team, but a demonstrator, but I'd love to have you on my team. Unless you become a demonstrator and are on my team if you choose. Look at how teeny tiny this is. I'm so excited. So it comes, it's the little mini Stampin' and Emboss Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Isn't that so teeny tiny? It's just under 4 inches wide. So I think that's really cool. I think it's about 3 3/4 is what I've heard. And then it also comes with your little guide, but then it comes with all those same plates, 2 of the cut plates, and then this guy as well. So it comes with all your plates to be able to use the dies. Guess what I have right next to me? And it's a big difference. Like, this is pretty heavy. This is the original. This is the mini, little teeny tiny guy. So cute. See the difference? This one's already hurting my side. This one, not so much. So the fact that it's so teeny tiny, I think I'm going to be able to really show you on video when I'm using the machine, because before I'd kind of have to prepare ahead of time, have both of them, one cut already and then one. Now I don't have to do that anymore. I might still do it for time's sake because you guys know how to do it, but I'm pretty excited, so it'll probably make it to one of my upcoming videos really soon. But it's ready, you guys. It's out. I'm super excited. We've been waiting for it for a while. And then, of course, this guy was brand new. You probably haven't seen this one before unless you maybe saw another demonstrator's channel or are a demonstrator yourself. So this will be also available in the new catalog with Celebration coming up January 5th. So I've got the catalog. I've been looking for it. Through it. I'm just so excited. And I'm going to be doing another paper party. I think we're going to have like a paper play date. And it's if you buy the paper stack from me, all the new papers that are coming out, we're going to have a play date together. So I'm getting all that together, and I will do a video that has all of my upcoming classes and stuff like that for you, because going into January, we're going to change things up just a little bit, and I am super excited. We're going to have team meetings with my Stampin' Up! Team, so make sure if you want to be a Stampin' Up! Team person with me, make sure you join. You can join during Celebration, or you can join now if you wanted to grab some of this stuff early. And do you know that you get to choose some of this stuff for your kit if you want to? So you can choose out of the current catalogs and the upcoming catalog. So I'm super excited. I had to record this, and I know that I won't be putting it out until Monday. So when I say tomorrow, it's going to be Tuesday. But it's late at night where I'm at. It's after 11 o'clock, but I wanted to record this so I could put it out for you in the morning. So, all right, beauties. I hope you had a great weekend and start this week off right. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always contact me. Go to jeanpersani.com. Or, no, not jeanpersani.com. jeanpersani.stampinup.net or beautyandthestamper.com. All right, beauties. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Apparently, I'm not the only one who was tired. This little guy's already in bed. Oh, so tired.